Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. So today we want to talk on how to download Adobe Illustrator. So when you want to download Adobe Illustrator, first key thing you have to know that Adobe Illustrator is being managed by Adobe Creative Cloud. So when we want to download Adobe Illustrator for free for use, first of all come and sign in Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe, just search Adobe Creative Cloud, Adobe Creative, Adobe Creative Cloud. So just come, and this one, the one shown on red, come and sign in. Because on the upper part, sign in, sign in. So you can sign in if you already have account, or create an account. This will help you a lot to download all the Adobes that you may need. So put your email and password, then continue. After that, now it's now time for you to download Adobe Illustrator. Just come now and search Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator for PC, for PC. Now after that, since we have signed in for Adobe Creative Cloud, now we'll come to Adobe Illustrator. We'll come to Adobe Illustrator and download. Now after that, now we come to download. Let me skip these ads. Since I'm using data, let me close these ads. Now, let me also, I'm in Africa, okay? So this one will ask you to sign in, but if you have already signed in to Adobe Creative Cloud, you'll just be taken direct, or you will just have to confirm. Now after that, now you will be taken to this part for free trial or buy. Now Adobe Illustrator gives you 7 days free trial. 7 days free trial. So you can try it for 7 days. After 7 days, you can cancel, or you can continue with the plan, or you can buy if you want to buy. So this is the simple way of downloading Adobe Illustrator. Kindly subscribe if this is helpful.